Dresser Institute of Fashion and Patternmaking is a professional organization that serves as a bridge between fashion design and pattern making. The institute provides education and training programs in both fields, offering students the opportunity to learn the technical and creative aspects of fashion design and pattern making. The programs offered by Dresser Institute of Fashion and Patternmaking are designed to prepare students for careers in the fashion industry. By teaching them the skills and knowledge required to turn their fashion design ideas into actual garments. The curriculum covers both fashion design and pattern making, including sketching, color selection, fabric choice, and the technical aspects of pattern making, such as taking measurements, creating patterns, and adding seam allowances. The Dresser Institute Fashion and Pattern Making's programs are designed to be comprehensive and hands-on, allowing students to learn by doing. The focus is on both theoretical and practical learning, so that students can develop a solid understanding of both the creative and technical aspects of fashion design and pattern making. The Dresser Institute of Fashion is a highly regarded and prestigious institution for fashion design education. The institute is committed to providing students with the best possible education by offering only one-on-one training with a maximum of 7 students per batch. This approach to education allows for individual attention to be given to each student and ensures that they receive the best possible guidance and support in their studies. The one-on-one training at the Dresser Institute of Fashion and Pattern Making is designed to help students achieve their full potential and reach the goals. The instructors are experienced professionals in the fashion industry who bring a wealth of knowledge and expertise to the classroom. We provide personalized guidance and support to each student, helping them to overcome any challenges they may encounter and allowing them to develop their skills and talents to their fullest. The small batch size of 7 students allows the instructors to give each student the attention they need to succeed. This ensures that no student gets lost in the crowd and that everyone receives the help they need to reach the goals. The students also benefit from the close-knit community that is created within each batch, providing opportunities for collaboration and peer-to-peer learning. In addition to the exceptional training, Dresser Institute of Fashion and Pattern Making also provides its students with a comprehensive curriculum that covers all aspects of fashion design, from sketching and pattern making to construction and finishing techniques. This well-rounded education ensures that graduates are equipped with the skills and knowledge they need to succeed in the competitive fashion industry. Dresser Institute of Fashion and Pattern Making is a unique and exceptional institution that provides students with an unparalleled education in fashion design. With its commitment to one-on-one training and small batch sizes, students are guaranteed to receive individualized attention and support, helping them to achieve the goals and succeed in their careers. With the exceptional education and training provided, graduates of Dresser Institute of Fashion and Pattern Making are never in need of any other institute for further education and growth.